I thought I would show you Blue. He doesn't get up here very often anymore, especially with Camille around. Blue, you pretty boy. There goes Camille. And here goes Blue. Here is Smudge, y'all. Here's Smudge. Oops. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Smudge. All right, all right, all right. Ah, yeah. Smudge, you want to say hey? People are looking for you. People are saying, where's Smudge? It's okay. Hey there, love. Good boy. Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Friday Night Gab. Welcome. And Smudge is here for the moment. I don't know how long this is going to last. So I just wanted you to see him for a moment or two, and Blue, and we'll get Camille in on this also. How's everybody? Did you have a good week? It was the end of the week and beginning of the new month for me, so very busy. Always a very busy time. The last day or two of the month and the first 10 days of the month are really, 10, 11 days of the month are really busy for me. So I hope that y'all were able to do something to take care of yourself a little bit. Now, you know, fur is a-flying now. So this is not live. This is just a regular video that I have filmed. Now next week, I will be going live. And when is that going to be? That's going to be the 11th, August 11th, right? Because today is August 4, right? I'm telling you, I'm all backwards. I'm all backwards and upside down. This is Camille. Here she is. Here she is. She won't stay still for not a moment. Not a moment. She does not want to stay still. I wanted to tell you a few things. Let's see what I can tell you. I have a little list of things. So with the Mega Drop Shop, I had 4 orders. I've shown you a couple already, I think, and I'm probably going to combine maybe the last. I'm not real sure yet. But there's been some disappointment because they have pricing and they tell you the value of things and things are not matching up. The mask order was incorrect, as you all know, and all they did was want to give me like $3.60 back. Well, I talked back and forth with them and they are sending me something. They call it an accommodation order. I've gotten that before. It's going to be a product, one product, a full-size product, which will be nice, but I don't know why everything is wrong. I did get the mystery bundle of the 4 small bags, the small glam bags. That was good. Other than that, everything else I've received is wrong. So I don't understand why things are going so bad. So I don't like it. I will be talking with them. So I'll let you know how that goes. So Camille is right down here, by the way. She really is messing everybody up in this house. She's fabulous. I love her. But they are still having a hard time. And I haven't seen them. They don't like her. And she is a biter. She's in the biting stage. She's biting me right now. And, you know, she'll grow out of that probably, hopefully. And but she attacks their faces and bites on them. And they are too kind. They don't beat her up, and they really need to. But, you know, that's a cat thing. I wanted to let you know, too, that I have all of my giveaways except for one person now. I have not sent out that person's gift yet, and I have to work tomorrow, so I won't be doing it this week. But I'll do it next week for sure. And then I have several giveaways going on. I have my treasure trove giveaway is always going on. And I also have something else going on. If you can find it, you are welcome to join. Last Friday, I did a giveaway, just a really tiny giveaway. It was these sheet masks. I have them right here. I got this from Amazon, and I did use this on Mask Monday. It was very nice, but I told y'all that I'll pick 3 people if you put a fruit emoji in the comments from last Friday Night Gab. So I have the 3 people picked. So they are, and I'll put their pictures at the end. So you can, so especially because if I click on your name, it's different than what the, now I forgot what that's called, the at thing that YouTube gives you. So what I see is the at sign Coastal Girl 707. And then when I clicked on that, it was Melissa. So you want a mask? And then Havoc, HAVOC, want a mask. And Havoc, I don't know very well, but Havoc has been visiting me on my Friday night GABs. So thank you to both of you for being here. And the third winner is Debbie Lowry. Debbie Lowry has been around for a while, so I know her. And I have Debbie's address. I don't have Melissa's address, and I don't have Havoc's address. So please send me a message via email, Mary Catherine Loves Cats, just like this title here, but all together, of course, at yahoo.com. Or you can find me on Instagram, same name, Mary Catherine Loves Cats. So you can DM me over there with your address, and I'll send you out your sheet mask. And thank you all for anybody that entered that. I appreciate y'all because you pretty much watched the whole video, so I do appreciate that. And look for my other giveaways. And I wanted to say that I have been blessed with just the nicest subscribers. And it's really true. Y'all are so nice. And I've always thought that. And I often say it, but I feel like I haven't said it very much lately. I just want to thank y'all for being here. And I'm just very blessed to have y'all because y'all are so good to me. And whether you comment or whether I know that there's people out there that don't comment, but you watch. And I wish you just say hey, or just, I don't know, put your name below or put an emoji or something just to let me know you're here. Because I know people are shy. Some people don't want to. And I understand. But I'd love it if you win something from me because I do a lot of giveaways. So I'd love it if you win something. But you can't win if you don't comment. So, that's the thing about that. So, yeah, if you'd like to say hey. So, and I feel like I have so much to say, but where is my list? I thought I had a list of things. My shoulder is not good. It's been getting worse, and it gets a little bit better and then worse. It's a little bit better right now. It got really bad the other night. I have discovered, based on my father and I believe my brother as well, I have a high tolerance of pain. I do believe. I think it runs in my family. And I don't have a lot of pain. Knock on wood and thank the Lord. But this, whatever is happening to me, which I think I know what it is now, the other night, it was so excruciating that I thought I was going to vomit. That's how much pain was going on for me. And it was very hard. It's been very hard to sleep. So, but I am taking some ibuprofen. That seems to be helping me right now. And, but it's a constant thing. It's always there. I am going to go see the doctor. And I do think I've been reading like crazy about what it could be. And I think I have a pinched nerve. I had a real bad neck ache the other day. And then this happened after. It's been a slow go. It's been growing slowly. Like I've been having some twinges here and there. I sit funny. If you might have noticed, here's my chair, and I sit like this a lot. I lean. I'm a leaner. I've always been a leaner. My very excellent chair at my office. We sell office supplies, so we sell office chairs. And I got my chair 20 years ago when I started working there. And it finally bit the dust. It's had a few problems the last year, and I ended up having to, my arm, the right arm on the chair broke, and they fixed it for me several times, and it's not fixable because they don't make the brand of chair anymore. So I tried other chairs and didn't like them. And I'm like, I need my chair back and take that arm off completely. So that made me lean even more on this arm. So I think I'm off kilter. So I may have to see a chiropractor or whatever, but I think that's what's going on. It could be. There's 4, 5, or 6 things it can be, and I'll be finding out from the doctor soon. I don't know that they can tell you the first time they see you. You know what I mean? But we'll see. And noise always with a kitten, so I'm sorry about that. But wish me well, and yeah, that's what's going on with me. So I don't know. I feel like I know I have other things to talk about, y'all, but I guess I'm going to be done now. So I'm real disappointed that the cats are not working out well. And yeah, I just want that to happen. I'm hoping when Camille, as she ages and, you know, gets to be about 1, it's a long way off, that she'll be, you know, she'll be more calm. She'll be more calm eventually. And then hopefully that will be good. So y'all, I did renew my FabfitFun. I have a video that went up a day or 2 ago. I can't go without renewing FabfitFun. I'm an unboxer, and that's what I do, and that's what I like. And I just, FabfitFun, a lot of people see FabfitFun and think, oh wow, that's the best box ever. And a lot of people really love the box, and it is a great box. But when you get it for a few years, it's, there's only so much stuff you can have. Do you know what I mean? And before I started my channel, you would hardly believe it if you saw the boxes that I have and the things that I have. And that's why I do a lot of giveaways to get rid of things. I was trying to simplify my life, so to speak, and get rid of things. So I'm always trying to do that. It's not always easy. So that is what I can think of at the moment. And I'm glad that you're here, and I'm sorry. I know I'm tired looking. I know I look like crap, and I have to work tomorrow, so not much rest this weekend again, but I'm going to do my best to try to go to bed early each night. I have to, because I really need to sleep. And I love y'all, and I thank you so much for being here. And hopefully by next Friday, I'll be able to do a live, and I'll be refreshed and alive. So y'all, thanks for stopping by, and hope you saw the videos of the cats. I think I put them at the beginning of this. Who knows where I'm going to be putting them? But thank y'all for stopping by, and count your blessings. And y'all have a wonderful weekend, and enjoy August. It's very, very hot here. We're having all kinds of storms and stuff like that. Normal summer. And school is starting up this week coming up. Can you believe it? I can't believe it. It's too early, especially with it being so hot. But it's probably happening near you too soon. So stay safe, stay healthy, and drink, hydrate, and count your blessings. And here comes Camille one more time. Camille, you gonna run on by? You gonna run on by, love? Say hello to everybody. Say hello. Yeah, say hello. Anyway, y'all, take care and count your blessings. Bye-bye. Good to see you.